Fabrics come in different types, some make it very easy to tell the right or wrong side, while others can be a bit difficult. I'll show you 3 methods that can help. Method 1 is the easiest. Just look at the color intensity of the fabric on both sides. The side that looks more vivid, more pigmented, and more colorful is usually the right side, while the one that is a bit faded or not as vivid is the wrong side. But in some cases, both sides may look almost the same. This brings us to method 2. Method 2 is usually looking at the print or inscriptions or writings on the fabric. This works well for fabrics like Ankara, African print. On the right side, the design or letter or inscriptions or write-up will appear upright and readable. But when you flip it over, the wrong side will show the inscriptions in reverse or inverted. That is usually the wrong side. Now, method 3 is for when both sides still look very similar. For example, crepe fabric. Check the self-edge of the fabric, the bottom of the fabric. You may notice tiny pin marks or needle-like holes, so run your fingers through these holes to feel. The smoother side is the right side, while the rougher side is the wrong side. Have you tried any of these methods and did they work for you? If you have additional methods or contributions, please leave your comments in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.